Hey guys, welcome back to Randomness Bros. If you're new, I'm Brian, this is Mark, and today we're going to be doing paper airplane golf. So it's just like golf, first one to make it into our hole, which is this red bucket here, in the fewest amount of throws wins. And we're doing a little twist because we're not just going to be throwing them, we put a little hook on them so we can slingshot them with some rubber bands.
Put some rubber bands on them.
And let's see how it goes. We'll see you out there.
Stay one.
I pulled it too hard. Oh. Alright, we'll meet you back down.
Alright, stay tuned.
Alright, Mark, you got two options. You either try knocking your plane down and you play it where it lies like mine, or you take the two-stroke penalty.
I'm thinking of playing where it lies, because I don't know, I'm throwing these rocks up here and it's not getting down.
So that means we'll take the two-stroke penalty and we'll put you halfway in between and we'll put you like right here in this pine cone I got.
Alright then.
Is that what we're gonna do?
Yes sir.
Alright, you heard it here first from Mark. Alright, as you can see I didn't go very far because it hit the tree, but now I don't have to worry about the tree hazard. Hole's over there on the other side of the pool, so let's go for it.
Alright.
Let it fly. Oh. Okay, well, there you go.
It went straight down to the rocks.
Okay, I'd say about even. A long way to go, Mark. You still got to get across the pool.
I know, right? This is going to be a long adventure for us. So keep your heads ringing.
Oh!
Oh!
That one went pretty good.
Okay, I wasn't expecting that.
All right, hopefully I can keep up with Mark now.
Let's go, B-Rye.
Definitely want to pull it like this. All right, about the same. Maybe Mark a little farther, but
Yeah.
we're almost there.
It's in the water, I'll just swim and go sea diving with that.
Well, you got closer.
Yeah, I went further.
I don't know if I'll be able to make it to the pool with the tree there, but I guess we'll find out. Make it over the fence, Mark?
I think I can. Let's see here. Oh, well. So much for that.
Alrighty, guys. Like I said, I was playing it safe. That's why I landed underneath the tree so I could go over the fence. This is stroke 5 for me. I'm beating Mark by 2 or 1. Hopefully I don't get in the water hazard.
Oh!
Oh!
Oh, and it died right in.
Play it safe?
Yeah. I mean, I just want to get through the fence, that's all.
Alright.
Actually, you can put your arms around there and get it.
I'm going in, Mark. You gotta play it where it lies.
I'm just playing.
Okay, I'll play it where it lies. Let me get my other one.
Hey, look at me, Anna. Good daddy.
Oh, it's not too bad. Whoa, it's deep.
Be careful, bro.
That's the hot dog run.
Come on. Your feet hot. Keep walking. Keep walking.
Is it hot?
Yeah, just a little.
I've almost got it. Got it.
Mommy.
Okay, maybe not, but I'll just play it where it lies, Mark.
I'll just sit
Yeah.
here with my feet in, okay?
Okay, let's do this.
Oh, it's cold.
Well, I can use a wet nap.
How did you get it?
It was floating.
Oh!
You silly.
Alright. Here we go. I just gotta make it over there.
Okay.
Mom, did they actually give you the keys?
Oh my God. No.
No?
No, they let us in.
Okay, that's one. There you go, Mark.
Cold for her.
No, that's called Aerosmith, my friend. That was Aerosmith.
I didn't get in the pool for nothing, Mark. I gotta at least put this in from here.
It's starting to feel better now.
Can you put my phone in your face? I'm sorry.
No, you gotta hook it, bro.
I did!
This might be a straight shot for me.
And then he goes, oh, wait. And I said,
Ah, you got it too!
Dang, turns out I got it too.
put on your glasses.
I'm just throwing it.
That's what I should have done.
So it's called randomness, bros?
Yes.
So close.
Just keep
I can
doing
put
your
it in
crazy
from here.
stuff. Nobody
Well, I'm
wants
doing the same strategy that Brian's doing. I'm gonna go open hand.
Put it in from here. I think I win it. Here we go. Just gotta put it in. Money.
Heck yeah.
Yeah,
I think I'm winning
know,
by
and
one,
you
Mark.
Doesn't even work. You should be washing the shit. So shut up.
You sure do.
Put it in and I'll win by one.
Well, why don't you just put it on anyways? It's the only something you got in the pool with.
Justin, can you help your mom unlock my
It's a no-brainer.
Alright, you guys know how it works. We make up the rules as we go. We're gonna do another hole. If Mark wins this hole, we'll go to a sudden death. And if not, I win the whole thing. Hey, at least it's not in the tree.
Yeah, I made it through the leaves.
I'm past the
Okay.
trees! Let's go! There. And we're back. We decided to scrap the rubber band thing because it wasn't really working. We kept tearing rubber bands and
So we're-
breaking staples, so we're just going to throw them by hand from here on out.
So we're doing old school style. So.
Bring you back to your childhood days. Get it, Mark?
All right then.
All right. Yours truly's up next. Here we go. Right there. What is that? A flavor packet?
Oh,
Nice mark
ramen, yeah.
for me. Here we go. We're moving. We're moving. Mark, go ahead and throw.
All right. All right.
Throw. There we go.
Look like a freaking red. All right. All right. Here we go.
Throw number 4, I put a little fin here, maybe keep it from tipping upside down. Let's see it.
That thing went.
It's like a javelin.
See if I can throw this into the sand. That thing was high, I know that.
Doable, I can make it into the sand from here. Here we go. Okay, at least I'm moving forward. Oh, there you go.
The key is to throw it light, not hard.
As you know, we make up the rules as we go. We decided you got to go over the net before you can get into the bucket.
Ho ho!
Almost! I almost made it over. Oh, it's gonna be money though, the next throw, Mark. Ooh.
This
Alright.
is close.
Throw 8 for the win. Yeah! Victory!
You got it.
All right, Mark, why don't you finish her off and put
All
it
right.
in?
I caught him! I caught him! Oh my god! Yes!
All righty, so I won both games, so that makes me the winner. We'll see you at the award ceremony.
Hello everyone, we're back. So, obviously Brian's the winner.
Yes, I finally won one.
Yes, So as much as I don't like giving this trophy to him, but I have to because he's a winner, and I gotta be humble for that.
Winner.
Alright, so stay tuned for next time for Randomness Bros. You know, we're gonna be out there doing random things and all that, so stay tuned, share that like button,
And subscribe.
Right.
And
Yep.
we'll see you next time. Bye.
Alright, bye, see ya.
Running up the mountain and climbing a tree, twisted like a snake and busy like bees. Don't know what the is wrong with me. Don't know what the is wrong with me.